Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video I'm going to show you the proper way of using the ultrasonic fingerprint reader on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus. So if you watch other YouTubers or tech reviewers, you'll see that their thumb stays on the ultrasonic fingerprint reader for quite a long time. Now, the Galaxy S10 is using sound waves to unlock your device by checking out your thumb, pretty much a 3D print, and it's pretty sophisticated, and you do not have to have it on there for such a long amount of time. And the other great thing you are able to do is when your screen is completely black, it's not even in the always on display, it's also not in the lock screen or any of these screens here, you are able to unlock your phone in this black screen, which is also fantastic. Now there is one setting you are able to change if you want to make your fingerprint read just a little bit faster. If you go inside of the settings and head down to where it says biometrics and security, and then you go inside of your fingerprint option, and just for the purpose of these videos here, the password of this device is 1111. I highly suggest to not use that password, but you'll see this option here that is called faster recognition. So right now I do have my right thumb that is in here for the recognition. You can also check out some of the other options, but in this video I just want to show you the fast and correct way of unlocking the Galaxy S10. So now when you have the option of a faster recognition, what it's doing is it's going through less of its scans to unlock your device. So if you feel that you want yours to be just a little bit faster and you just want to basically tap and touch and go, then you are able to do it that way. So if you wanted to read just a little bit more of exactly what happened, let's go back inside of the biometrics and security. Let's go back inside of fingerprints. Let's put in that really bad password. And this is what it's called right here for the faster recognition. It says check your fingerprints faster with fewer scans. This is still secure, but not as strong as the standard fingerprint recognition. Now, I do have to say that the regular recognition of the fingerprint reader is actually pretty fast, but I do see just a little bit faster of a awakenness or an unlocked of the device, either from the very extreme black screen, or if you're in this screen right about there, or also this screen here. Now that's another thing a lot of people don't really talk about or show is, yeah, you do have the lift to raise, so when you lift it up, it is able to basically go to this lock screen here. But if your phone is just sitting on a table, one of the nice things you are able to do is tap the screen once. It's gonna show you the always on display, and again, you are able to use that fingerprint reader right there. If you double tap it, it'll put it into the lock screen, and this is where it's showing that it's looking for a face to unlock the device. Now, I will be going back inside of the settings. I'm going to go back over into the biometrics and security, go back inside of the fingerprints, put in that really bad passcode, and I will be turning on that faster recognition because it still is secure and safe, but I just want that little faster of a unlock for my device. Now again, if you guys love this video, make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. This little red circle, you can subscribe that way. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites, and get the word out there that you don't have to press and hold your finger on a ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Just do a tap and go, and it's still safe and secure. And other than that, I'll see you guys later.